Thomas here with Much Props. Going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to once again build something from Fortnite. Last time we built the boogie bomb, and I got a lot of views from it and a lot of requests from it, so I figured why not do another Fortnite build. And I kind of have a niece who's having a birthday here pretty soon, and I thought there's a prop in that game that I think she would like. I am going to make the Rainbow Smash pickaxe from Fortnite out of foam and PVC pipe. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here's the end result. I think it turned out pretty adorable. Surely my niece will enjoy this. It kind of reminds me of like the old school hobby horses or the stick horses, whatever you want to call it, that kids used to pretend and ride around like they were riding an actual pony. So I kind of made it in that respect, but in game it's a weapon. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your magical unicorn building skills, or maybe perhaps your weirdly shaped childhood toys that are supposed to be weapons. I don't know. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I mean, it is an axe used to mine stuff, so here we go. Got him.